This is how to use your Gshock. This is your Gshock. Very standard Gshock. This graphic is not relevant. Yes, I know. This is how to use it. Do not use over your head. Seriously, do not use in your head, trust me. Not even in your feet. No. Use it, wear it on your wrist, either your left wrist or right wrist. Your Gshock will have this feature: timekeeping mode, calendar mode, stopwatch, alarm, and countdown timer. Your Gshock also have backlight. Yes, no charger, no GPS, no thermometer, no compass, only backlight. Only backlight. Want to know more? Please like and subscribe.